Hi guys! I know marami sa inyo nagre-request ng Maybelline lip swatches from the new shades nung Super Stay Matte Ink. Also yung Ultimates, and I'm so sorry I wasn't able to do those because nung ni-release yon, I was in a no-buy rule. I have so many lippies that I have to use. But I saw a new product from Maybelline that that changed my mind on not buying new products. I'm talking about this product right here. I do believe it's the Maybelline Sensational Cushion Matte Lip Tint. So this is 299 pesos plus 50 pesos shipping fee. Now I'm going to wear test this one, and if I liked it in any way, I'm going to purchase more shades. I'm not gonna buy all the shades, you guys. Kahit may budget tayo, kailangan pa rin natin magtipid ng bonggang-bongga. Pandemic ngayon, day. Sabi doon, pwede siya on your cheeks. Parang may nabasa akong ganun.
Lalaki, sabi niya sa akin, aanay yung kamay ko yung puwersa niya. Papakita ko na. Sabi ko nakabili mo, may gusto siyang bilhin niya. Ano naman yun? Ang bahit. Hindi yung mga tao mo. Ay, hindi na. Santos pa rin siya.
Hey there guys! So, it's already the next day. So, very quick review tayo. Ano ba ang nangyari after the wear test? Ano ba ang pros and cons? So, first of all, very different yung formula niya sa lahat ng liquid lipstick na nilabas ng Maybelline. Yung Maybelline kasi, forte niya yung mga, anong tawag dito, kiss-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof, yada. But this is very different. This is quite comparable sa Mersey na lip mousse, and even sa Happy Skin, and even sa Sunny's Face lip dip. Parang ito yung entry nila na panglaban sa mga yon. Ang difference lang is, yung formula niya, medyo ma-jelly siya. Pero pag wala kang ginawa, chika-chika ka lang the entire day, parang mawawala yung top coat, and then saka siya magiging sort of kind of cloudy matte. Pero kung, alam mo yun, tuloy-tuloy ka lang kumakain, umiinom, tuloy-tuloy mo lang binabasa yung labi mo, it's not going to be like matte. And then another thing you can do if you're going to buy this, if you want to achieve yung matte niya, is apply mo and then dab it with tissue and then apply another layer and then dab it with tissue, and I feel like yun yung parang magpapa-long lasting talaga sa kanya. Pro is it's very comfortable, it's easy to apply, very pigmented. Ang ganda ng packaging, like, this is $2.99 but it is so pretty. And nagulat ako sa size niya. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito yung magiging, like, it's quite big. That's another pro, it's affordable, it's just $2.99. Yung bagong shades ng Super Stay Matte Ink, mga nasa $3.29 or basta nasa line of 3. So, what else? Yun yung mga nakita kong pros. So, all in all, I like it. Pero ano ba yung con? Ang con is, it's not kiss-proof, it's not smudge-proof, it's not mask-proof or transfer-proof whatsoever. Para talaga siyang, you know, a soft matte lip mousse. Pero, it's long-lasting, you guys. Parang nag-iiwan siya ng stain on your lips, lalo na kapag ka-two-ply, 2 coats yung nilagay mo. Para siya mag-iiwan ng stain, or basta there's something parang kumakapit. Kumakapit siya, in fairness. Kumakapit siya kung hanggang sa ano kayanin niya. Overall, I do recommend that you try it because this is something different from Maybelline, and I love the formula and it's affordable compared dun sa mga pwedeng kamukha niya out in the market, which is yun nga, yung Sunny's Face Lip Tip, yung Happy Skin Lip Mellows, and yung Mersey. Mersey, yung Bite the Beat Mellow Tint, medyo comparable siya. Ang difference lang is, yung bigay ng Mersey ng pigment is matindi. Mas matindi kesa dito. Anyway, overall, I liked it. I do recommend that you try it. So, let's go na to the lip swatch. I did not get all the shades, you guys, because it's going to be so mahal. Kapag kinuha ko lahat ng shades, 10 shades yung nakita kong available, but I have 6. Yeah. And I would like to thank my sponsor, my sugar daddy, my husband. I would like to thank my husband for buying me these. Although hindi niya alam na binili niya to para sa akin. Dumating na lang. Wala siyang choice. Okay, so let's start with a nude shade. Chestnut on Point. This is Chestnut on Point on the back of my hand. And this is Chestnut on Point on my lips. And it is so pretty. And you guys, amoy ano pala siya? Amoy shampoo. Like, amoy sunsilk. Alam mo yun? Pero ang ganda, diba? It's really, it's really comfortable on the lips. Kahit magano-gano ko. Like, it's not gonna budge. Parang hindi masisira yung itsura niya on your lips. I really like it. So yeah, this is Chestnut on Point. Next shade, we have Sunset Fair. So this is Sunset Fair. And this is Sunset Fair on my lips. And it's on the nude side, pero ito yung parang peachy nude. Pero hindi siya like super cool tone. Para siyang neutral. Oo, so hindi ka parang magmumukhang ashy, hindi ka parang magmumukhang orangey, if that makes sense. Kind of like it as well. Pero between the two, syempre ma-brown nude ako. So yeah, this is Sunset Affair. Shade, we have Pink Addiction. Pink Addiction swatch at the back of my hand. This is Pink Addiction on my lips. It's pink, you guys. Pero alam mo yung, ito yung typical office pink na if you wanna wear pink lipstick papuntang office, this would be it. It's like generic pink. Nakaka-fresh. Yeah. So yeah, this is Pink Addiction. Shade is called Mauve Couture. So this is Mauve Couture, you guys, and nashukit ako kasi parang kamukha siya ni Pink Addiction. This is Mauve Couture on my lips. Medyo hawigan sila ni Pink Addiction, pero this one has a more on the mango sorbet, papaya-ish pink. Magkamukha sila ni Pink Addiction, pero ang nakikita kong difference nila in person na ma-pink siya, yes, pero more on the papaya pink. Etong si Mauve Couture. I don't know why it's called Mauve, pero so yeah, this is Mauve Couture. Last two shades, we have two reds, you guys, and nakakaloka. Nakikita niyo naman sa packaging difference niya, di ba? Parang this one is brighter than this one. Okay, so unahin natin i-take. This is The Devil Wears Red. Ito ang Red Lip Society. Ito yung tinry ko sa wear test. So, let's see naman itong The Devil Wears Red. This is The Devil Wears Red swatched. And you guys, lasa talaga siyang shampoo. Anyway, etong si Devil Wears Red is a bright red na merong orangey undertone-ish. So, it's really gonna pop on your lips. By the way, ang napansin ko, lahat ng shades na lahat ng shades na napili ko, na natry ko, bagay sa lahat ng skin tone. Except for Sunset Affair, which is this one. because it's more on the brighter side. But anyway, this would work to all skin tones. It's gonna pop up if you're like a deep morena, but it's going to look really good, really sexy and sassy. Yeah, this is the Devil Wears Red. So I am wearing Red Lip Society again, and okay, kita ka na yung difference. Bright red si The Devil Wears Red. Etong si Red Lip Society is mala burnt orange red. So meron siyang orangey undertone, no, burnt orange undertone. And Red Lip Society is sort of kinda mas deeper compared kay The Devil Wears Red. So ang hirap kasing makita talaga yung difference dun sa photos na nakapost sa Lazada or sa Shopee. Pero alam mo yon, I hope kahit na 6 lang yung shades na meron ako, I was able to give you an idea kung ano yung tunay na kulay in person and in natural light nung 6 shades na napili ko. But anyway, overall, nag-enjoy akong gamitin siya, and I'll be using these every day. Yeah, I do recommend that you try them, you guys. It's available na sa Lazada and sa Shopee for just $2.99. Of course, meron pang shipping fee, which is like what, 50, 45, depende. 100 if you're outside the Metro Manila. Are you still interested for me to swatch yung mga, ano ba yun? Yung Brooklyn blush? Yung parang morena-friendly shades daw. And the Ultimates, well, tingnan natin kung magsisale, and tingnan natin kung may budget me to buy those for you guys. Budol kayo, ha? Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!